Hi guys, today I have this very easy appetizer idea for you that is super easy to make and it's going to look so fancy at your holiday celebrations. So you're going to need 2 things of pizza dough. I like the one from Trader Joe's. You can make homemade if you want. I'm just trying to keep it easy for you. And the vegan pesto from Trader Joe's, or again, you can make your own homemade. You're going to flour your surface a little bit, and then you're just going to take one of your dough balls out. You want to work with 1 round of dough at a time. Lightly flour the dough. If you do use the Trader Joe's one, it's very sticky, so you'll probably need a decent amount of flour. And we're just gonna start to roll it out extremely thin. We want this to be very thin because we're gonna have all those layers, and if it's too thick, then it's just gonna be gross. We want this to be very thin. So roll it out into a nice big rectangle. Take, about 5 to 7 minutes to do this. So once you've rolled it out, we're just gonna scoop on a few spoonfuls of the pesto, and we're gonna put it on the whole rolled out rectangle dough. We want this to reach all the corners because the corners and stuff is like where the top of the bread is gonna be. So we want this to look pretty and full of filling. Taking a pizza cutter, I'm just gonna cut right down the center, and then we're gonna cut this into 6 pieces total. So I'm cutting each side into 3. Then you're just gonna start to layer the slices up, and obviously you're gonna have to repeat this with the other round of dough. Just keep that in mind. I'm only showing you 1 round of dough. So I'm layering these up, and it's very easy to do this. Like I said, it's just gonna look so pretty and fancy, but it's so easy to do. So once you have all your pieces on, you're gonna cut this in half, and then you're going to cut those halves into halves. So you're gonna be left with 4 little groups of layered up dough. You're gonna make this in a bread pan because you want it to have a nice compact look to it. So you're just gonna layer these up in the bread pan. So I've already done the first group, and now I'm gonna show you how to do the second group, but it's like so easy. You're literally just putting it inside the bread pan and just pushing it all together and layering it up. And then you can just kind of like take your fingers and spread and move the little pieces around and wiggle them and just adjust a little bit. And then you're just gonna bake this in the oven. It's like so easy to do. It looks really pretty, and it's gonna look like this pre-baking. So we're gonna put this in the oven at 425 for about 35 minutes. If you feel the top is getting too brown, you could cover it with foil. And then this is gonna be it when it's done. And like, how beautiful does this look? I think it looks gorgeous. I think it looks so pretty. I think it looks way fancier and intricate than it is. And it's just gonna impress all your guests, and they're gonna be like, how did you do this? So I'll have the ingredients down below. I mean, it's very simple, and I'll link videos to homemade pizza dough and homemade pesto if you need it. I hope you guys are enjoying these holiday videos. If you are, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, helps the channel out. And if you try this, tag me on Instagram. And yeah, this is just it. You just pull it apart. I think it's like really easy for your guests. So I hope you guys try it out, and I will see you on Tuesday with another video. Bye guys.